So I reckon I'm going to make a thing so Lily can get on and off the boat.
So these are the bits. Let's see how my goal was like.
Welcome to Noob Goes Boating. I've never gone boating before. Rented this boat and I moved in and basically nothing works. Despite my best intentions to record the process of making the steps.
Yeah, I forgot to do that. So
Fast forward to. I've made a set of stairs so Lily can get off the boat a bit more easily. So yeah, I made this afternoon. Pretty good, I reckon. Yeah. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. Go off the boat. Go off the boat. Go on. Lily, come on. Yeah, is that good? Pretty good. I've also made a little house for my generator to keep it dry when it rains, and yeah, that looks pretty shit, to be honest. Thanks for watching, see you next time.